In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove extreme acne face spot in Photoshop. Begin by importing the image you want to retouch. Now create a black and white adjustment layer and adjust it like this. Now create a new layer below adjustment layer. Now choose healing brush tool and convert current layer to current and below. And hold Alt key to select clear skin, then click in spot area. After that, delete adjustment layer. Now press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E. Now change the blending mode option normal to vivid light. Then invert the layer by pressing Ctrl-I. Now go to filter menu and apply high pass. Now create a layer mask and press Ctrl-I. Now choose brush tool and select a soft brush. Then decrease the flow. Now smoothly paint on the skin defect area. Now press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E. Now go to filter menu, then go to camera raw filter. Now adjust the image as shown. We are done. Thanks for watching.